ForgeRock's a commercial open source company that was founded 5 years ago. We're a technical products company, so training has always been part of the company. We've filled out quite a broad curriculum and we offer that globally through instructor-led training, live virtual classes, and increasingly using the Administrate LMS, we're also doing self-paced training now. Administrate's had quite a big influence and changed the roles of everybody in my organisation. We've gone from having somebody who spends their entire time compiling emails, sending out emails, tracking spreadsheets, to somebody that is now managing event delivery and they overseeing the events rather than having to get into the deep details of each event.
Administrate saves me time by sorting out all the emails for me. All I have to do, double check and hit send. We get daily tasks in the morning. I'll receive an email. It lists everything I need to do for the coming weeks, what courses we've got going on, what materials need to be sorted, what instructors I need to, chase after, that sort of stuff. It pretty much does it all for you.
Administrate's really helped us a lot with engaging with internal students in ForgeRock, and also importantly for us, our partner community. So our partner community desperately needed training, but a lot of them are busy during the week. They needed different types of training available, and that's where we've been able to build a self-paced training offering using the LMS functionality in Administrate. One of the most important things is having a responsive support desk, and we do get that from Administrate very clearly. That's a very strong feature.
When I first started using Administrate, if I'm honest, I was a little apprehensive, just sort of relinquishing all this control over to this piece of software that's going to do everything for you. I do have a tendency to be a bit of a control freak, but I have to say in the last year, or in the year that we've used Administrate, I'm pretty much just I let it go on with it.
It's very rare that we find providers in the learning technologies arena that actually understand what it is that we're trying to achieve with our software and our vision. The really good thing I've seen in Administrate is they've got that same vision. And so whenever anyone else in the training industry is looking at how they can enhance or mature or develop their platform or their capability, Administrate is something that I always show them.